Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Let us see today electrostatics chapter in physics. Okay, before I start electrostatics, we are going to see definition of electrostatic. What is electrostatics? Then electrostatics. When we break the word of electrostatics, electro plus statics. Meaning of electro. Meaning of electro is charge. Charge. Here the charge two type positive and other is negative. Statics meaning rest position. Then definition of electrostatics. The branch of physics in which study about rest position of charge is called electrostatics. Now in electrostatics, see charge and electric field. Then what is charge? What is charge? Here, charge is electric property. Any object having some energies charges. Here the charge has the two type, positive and the negative. Property of charges. Two type of property of charges. Here the like charges repel each other, and unlike charges attract to each other. This is the property of charge. Charge denoted by Q. Charge denoted by Q. Here Q may be capital letter and may be small letter. SI unit of charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb, and coulomb denoted by capital C. Dimension formula of charge. Dimensional formula of charge ampere second, AT. We are calculating about the dimension formula from the 7 fundamental base unit. Now, when charge at rest position, then make a field. When charge at rest position, then make a field. This field known by the electric field. Because charge is an electric property, then named as a electric field. At rest position electric field, not in motion. We are studying electrostatic rest property of charges. Here, now how to make electric field by charges. Here we are taking the plus Q charges and another is minus Q charges. Plus Q charges initiate the electric field. Electric field, the direction of electric field from the charges outward direction. And direction of electric field in minus Q charges inward direction. In language, we can say about the plus Q and minus charges. The plus Q charges initiate the electric field outward direction and terminate electric field in inward direction in negative charges. This is a property of charges. Two property of charges. First, like charges like charges repel each other. Repel each other. And unlike charges attract to each other. Now let us see how to attract and how to repel by the electric field. Because the electric field experiences a force on another charges, then we can say about the electric field experiences forces in electrostatic system. Now we can see repulsion by charges. Repulsion by charges. Repulsion occur in like charges. Like charges we can take the plus q charges q1 and another is plus q charges q2. Now we create the electric field by the q1 and q2 charges. q1 charges, we told about the q1 charges initiate electric field in outward direction, and here same as direction of electric field outward. Then outward direction electric field. Outward direction electric field. When both charges come to closer, then repel each other. How? This is the positive nature, this is the positive nature. Positive nature, repulsion. Like charges create repulsion. Like charges meaning of like, same type of charges. Same type of charges. Here the same type of charges. First is positive and another is positive. Then here the electric field of both. When I initiate the direction of electric field, outward direction, when both charges come to closer, then create a curve of electric field. Here same as create a curve of electric field. This type of electric field curve. This show the repulsion. When come to closer, both charges create repulsion force. Meaning of repulsion force, go far away from to each other. Now in attraction force, this is the like charges plus q, and another we can see in negative charges. First is q1 and second is q2. Here are negative charges. In negative charges, the electric field line terminate. Meaning of terminate inside the electric field direction. Electric field direction inside. Here are inside. Here are inside. Same as a positive charge, both charges come to closer, create a repulsion force. Because inside the electric field direction, here inside the electric field direction, this region create a repulsion force. Now, next we can see how to attract charges to each other. Attraction by charges. Attraction occurs in unlike charges. Unlike charges. The meaning of unlike: opposite charges. Opposite. Opposite. We can take one positive charge and another negative charge. Now here, create electric field. In positive charges, the direction of electric field outward, here outward, and direction of electric field in negative charges inward. When both charges come to closure, here the electric field lines join to each other. Now outward, here outward direction from positive charge, here inward direction from at negative charge. We can join the electric field lines to each other. Here outward direction electric field, here inward direction of electric field. This shows the attraction force between them. This attraction force study in Coulomb's law. F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. This formula is known as Coulomb's law. This type of incident create electric field by charges. We can see charge and electric field here. Now we study about the Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law shows the attraction between charges. Here the charge Q1 and Q2 separated at a distance of R. Here both charges, we can't know about the charges, one is positive, one is negative, both is positive, both is negative. We don't know about it. So, but both are experience of force to each other. This force, calculation of this force given by the Coulomb. So this formula is known by the Coulomb's law. What is the formula? The formula is F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. This formula known by the Coulomb's law. How to generate this formula? In the general form, the force experienced to each other by the charges. The force of attraction is directly proportional to magnitude of charges. Here the take product of both. Magnitude, meaning of magnitude. Here the entire negative value in magnitude will come to out. The value is positive. This is a mode function known as a magnitude. Force of electrostatic directly proportional to magnitude of both charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance. This creates the formula F directly proportional to magnitude product of both charges by inversely proportional to square of distance. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then we take a constant. Here F equal to constant come K Q1 Q2 by R square. This formula known by the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Here the Q1 Q2 both are charges measured in Coulomb. Here the distance as distance measured in meter. Here the K is electrostatic constant. electrostatic constant, and the value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. This is the value of K. And another value of K, representation K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now, small variation in formula. If put a value of K, then the form of formula F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. F equal to. This is a pure form of Coulomb's law. This is electrostatic force. The SI unit of electrostatic force is Newton, represented by capital N, and dimension formula of force means Newton equal to mLT minus 2. Okay, thank you so much.